Now,
Oh wow.
let's
Oh,
perform again.
Bless
Oh,
you,
goodness.
bless you, bless you, bless you. Well, your eyes are much more open.
Big John.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, she smiled at you,
Yeah,
Jeff.
Jeff. She likes you. Big yawn.
So what's Grandma doing with that thing over my head?
Oh, what? You want to hold my hand? Let her look at you. She's really awake now. Her eyes are really big. You're getting a little cranky because your tummy maybe hurts.
Okay, Grandma's gonna put it on a standby because it's killing my back.
You getting hungry?